Destroyed this sofa.
TV and destroyed alone.
Alone, yeah. Before we cut our mortgage in half, we can't afford new sofa. And to clean this area and to do this sofa look better, we
hide this?
Yeah, we bought 3-seat sofa elastic cover. Now we will try to fix your destroyation. I don't know how
Damage.
Damage, yeah. Damage you made for our sofa. Let's unpack it.
Yes.
We will try to unpack it. What is it? Oh wow, it's very soft.
Wow.
I liked it.
And me.
It's empty. Put here.
Wow. I like it.
I like it. Okay.
Like elephant.
Let's put it. Where is the front?
Where isn't front?
Maybe this one. Now it's better, yeah?
No. I don't think so. Parachute.
No, do not do this. Well,
Okay. It's parachute.
it's not parachute.
For me, it's parachute. How it needed to be. How it is.
It's okay.
No. It's not
Oh,
open.
very good.
No, I don't think so. Can I please test it?
Yeah, you can. Is it okay?
Yeah. Now, second test. And third test. It's okay.
Not okay. With help of my handy son and my handy woman, we did this cover look better.
Yes.
Ta-da! Aye.